The Double Diamond Framework. The Double Diamond was originally launched by the Design Council in 2004 as a design process model. In 2019, Design Council has evolved Double Diamond into a framework for innovation. The Double Diamond framework consists of four phases: discovering customer problems and pain points by talking to them directly, defining specific challenges you want to solve based on the insights from discovery, developing potential solutions through a cross functional team collaboration, and delivering feasible solutions, testing them out, and improving those that work best. The underlying principles of this framework, explained by the Design Council, are: put people first, start with an understanding of the people using a service, their needs, strengths, and aspirations. Communicate visually and inclusively, help people gain a shared understanding of the problem and ideas. Collaborate and co create. Work together and get inspired by what others are doing. And iterate. Do this to spot errors early, avoid risk, and build confidence in your ideas. Diving deep into the problems and trying to find out the best possible solutions for customer needs is something you should always strive for. The Double Diamond framework is built to help you explore opportunities, shape innovative visions, and work on ideas to turn them into reality. The Double Diamond design process is a highly collaborative team practice that requires complete understanding and integration between the team members. Accordingly, an effective selection of the team and place is essential. The team members should represent different areas where they are relevant to the project. Considering this factor ensures that the team members address different areas, especially in a complex design project. In this framework, the team can jump from the problem definition point back to the discover step if they think more information needs to be explored or collected to build a clear definition of the problem. Also, they can jump back from the deliver to the develop if the product testing shows the need for another prototype. Finally, the usage feedback from the consumers is forwarded to the discover step to consider in future improvements of the product. The picture you see represents a double diamond and hence the name Double Diamond Framework.